top of the afternoon to you. Welcome to Wagtail Wednesdays. This is Maul's explanation of breakdown of the Wagtail One Pass and the slipstream, soon to be coming to a store near you. So here we are, Masters at Wagtail's top 6 reasons for the advantages of a one-pass tool and why you should have it in your arsenal. Number 6, constant glide. Because there is a sponge, in my case, Magic Eraser, it really doesn't matter. Just as long as you have something underneath, whatever it may be, you have constant glide. It glides like butter, baby. Number 5, it reduces wrist fatigue. Because if it's constant glide, your squeegeeing is more effortless. And you won't hit a dry glass and stress your wrist or your arm or your shoulders or your elbows. Number 4, it prevents drying in the sunlight on those hot sunny days. This makes the difference of keeping from re-wetting the window. All right. Number 3, less water. If you're on the inside and you're on a maintenance clean, it produces little water to clean up because the water that you're squeegeeing is getting right back on the pad, therefore leaving less water to pick up. Then there's number 3. I'm sorry, there was 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 6 altogether. Okay. Where did I leave off at? Oh, we said less water, right? And number 2, great for light coat of dusting. If you have windows up high that has like a light smoke film or has a light coat of dust, you don't need a traditional mop. You don't need to scrub the heck out of the window. All you need is that pad underneath, wet it, and just squeegee as normal. This is enough to clean the glass. All right, until you can reach by hand. That saves you so much time. It's ridiculous. And then the number 1 reason, it prolongs the rubber. You save money. All right? Because of the constant glide underneath, it's less friction. That means less wear and tear on your rubber and on the corners of your rubber. All right? At this time, there is currently no disadvantages that Masters at Wagtail has found. Some of you might say, well, yeah, there is. It doesn't hold a lot of water. But you got to remember, you got to break out of that old mentality of traditional type tools. With this tool, you don't need a whole lot of water. As you see, I cleaned over 50 windows with 3 ounces of water. So this tool was designed to work with minimal water and minimal cleanup, with less effort and flawless work, and still get the job done on frequent cleans. This tool as a disadvantage may prove challenging though on real filthy windows on the outside. I would not suggest using it the first time on first cleans. Once you get it under control, that's a different story. But there you have it. Macca Fracca. Peace, peace, peace.